Welcome students in our mathematics classes. The topic is Introduction of Trigonometry and class, that is for class 10th, and today we have to find that is the value of some angles, that is sin 45 degree. In previous video I can derive how to find the value of all the 30 degrees and 60 degrees of T ratios. Today we have to derive all the T ratios, that is sin 45 degrees. Now first of all here, that is part 3. Now we have to derive 45 degree of all the T ratios. So first of all now take, that is a triangle. This is right angle triangle or isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle means a triangle is having any two sides are equal and the one angle is 90 degree. This one. Now take A, B and C, and here A. Now this is also A. So these two sides are equal. One angle is 90 degree. So this triangle is isosceles right angled triangle. Now we have to first find the value of AC. So by Pythagoras theorem, in right triangle ABC, that is ABC, here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AC square is equal to AB is, that is A square, that is also A square, and AC square is equal to, that is 2A square. So AC is equal to, that is root में 2 into A. Therefore the value of this is root 2A. Now we have to use, that is PBP upon HB, that is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bol. So now this angle is, that is 90 degree. These two sides are equal. So this angle is 45 degree and this is also 45 degree. So first of all we have to find, that is sin 45 degree. Now what is the sign? That is P by H. Here that is P by H, and P in this figure BC upon AC, that is BC upon AC, and BC is equal to A, AC is equal to root 2A. Now this will be cancelled, and here this is 1 by root 2. Okay, and now again cos 45 degree, that is if we take B by H, that is AB upon AC, that is AB upon AC. And what is AB? AB is A, AC is, that is root 2A. Cancel this, and this value is 1 upon root 2. Again tan 45 degree, that is tan, that is P by H, B, here P upon B. And now look in this figure, P, that is BC upon AB, BC upon AB, this is equal to A upon A, and which is 1 by 1, this is 1. Now cancel out this. Again we have to find cot 45 degree, that is reverse of the reciprocal of tan, B upon P. Now B, that is AB upon P, that is BC. Look here, that is A by A. Now cancel out, this is equal to 1. Again now we find, that is sin, cos, tan, cot, that is sec. 45 degree, that is reciprocal of cos. Cos means V by H, and reciprocal, that is H upon B. And what is H? H is AC, and B is, that is AB. Now write that AC is equal to root 2A, and here upon A, that is cancel out, which is root 2, and now that is cosec 45 degree, that is the reciprocal of sine, H upon P, here H upon P, that is H is equal to AC upon BC, AC upon BC, and AC is equal to root 2A, BC is A cancel, this is root 2. Therefore, now in this process we have to find sine 45 degree for all T ratios. Okay, thank you.